Hello kids, let's learn to do self drawing and color fill. Kids, first color's name: light pink color, sky blue color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, and blue color, light green color, and red color. Kids, shapes drawing: black color, cross. Kids, cross, square, square, pentagon. Kids, pentagon, L shape. Kids, L shape, triangle. Kids, triangle, circle. Kids, circle, kids, color fill. Kids, color fill, light pink color, cross, light green color, square, yellow color, pentagon, blue color, L shape, brown color, triangle, red color. Kids, circle. Kids, circle, cross, square, pentagon, L shape, triangle, circle. Kids, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.